Good people, good day. Now, today we want to take a second step into learning Tadzungaira, and we want to focus on the Nhetetes. But the Nhetetes pair nicely with certain parts on the left. While the lesson is on the Nhetetes, I will also show how to modify the left side so that it goes well together. Now, so where we started is that's the first phrase. Second phrase. Third phrase. That's the fourth phrase, and then you play it round and round. Now, so the way we derived Tadzungaira is from the Karigamombe notes, and if you think of it, even as we expand on the Nhetetes, we are to a large extent drawing on the Karigamombe Nhetetes. So Karigamombe, there is a part where we play where we jump to this number 6 note and then continue. But so this number 6 note is where we want to do some variations for Tadzungaira. So the way we would do it is the first phrase. So that's the first phrase. So and then once we've played this number 6, the next notes we are going down: number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. So let me start with the first phrase. And then the second phrase, we modify it a little bit because we want to go down with the octave, so we go. So on the left, and here we are going down number 5 3 times, number 4 3 times, number 3 3 times. So let me play the first 2 phrases. First phrase. Second phrase. And then we proceed to the third phrase. So the third phrase really hasn't changed. And then we also don't change the fourth phrase. So if we do the whole cycle, is moving to start using this number 6. Once you've used the number 6, you come down with it, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. In other words, we're coming down with all the notes, and then we also modify the left side so that we are playing the octaves. Now this part here has got some sweet variations. So we're playing the Nhetetes, da da da, and then and you continue. Now because we've got 3 notes, we're playing each Nhetete 3 times. You can introduce what we can call a dummy. So if you are playing, for example, this one, instead of playing it 3 times, you can, in other words, you dummy. It's as if you want to go up and then you come back to that Nhetete, and you can introduce that style. It introduces some flavor in the playing. So this is just a variation. Let me show you. So we can start where we so that's the first phrase. We haven't changed from this new way of playing. And then the second phrase, so this is where instead of playing it 3 times, we go, and then so this is a change to the second phrase. So the first phrase, and then the second phrase, so that's the second phrase. And then the third phrase, we go, so and then the fourth phrase, for now we don't change it. So if we do the whole cycle, so this is a variation. In other words, we've got a second way of playing where we get to number 6, but instead of just going down, we dummy. We go down to 5, go back to 6, back to 5, 4, and then 1. It just introduces some nice flavor. The third variation, where we're playing notes up to number 6 here, is a way of, locking it temporarily on some notes. Let me start the first phrases. That's the first phrase. We haven't changed anything. Then the second phrase, instead of moving down, we lock it here at L4, L5, and also playing this number 6. So we go again. But then when we move down, we jump because the next set of notes is here. So let me Let me do first phrase. And then the second phrase. That's the second phrase. Let me do it again. First phrase, and then I continue. And then the third phrase, we go back to this number 6. So it is in some sense repeating the second phrase. And then we continue. So let me do the cycle. So let me modify it a little bit. So that's the first phrase, and then the second phrase. Second phrase again. And then the third phrase, we go back to number 6. And then the last phrase. I think it is now coming out sweeter. So again. So we've got a variation where we go to number 6 here, but there are also sub variations. The first one is you go to number 6 and then you come down with all the notes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the second one, you introduce a dummy technique. When you get to 5, you go back to 6 and come back to 5, and then change 1 or 2 other small things. And then the third one is the one where you lock it at number 6, so that into the second phrase, and then you repeat. Then you go back there. So these are nice variations that go to number 6. Now the last one that we want to do is you go to number 8. And when you play from number 8, you play all the notes cascading down until you're at number 1. And so you also modify the left side so that we are playing the octaves. And what you do, so for the first phrase is, and then the second phrase, so it's still the first phrase. That's the first phrase, so it's just, and then on the left, a variation is to play but sometimes these keys here are tuned flat, and on mirrors where they are sharp, this is the right note to play. But if it is flat like mine, then we play number 2 instead. So let me do it. The first phrase. And the second phrase we continue. The third phrase. Last phrase. I think this is enough. We've got Nhetete's basic ones that we play with just these first 3 or 4 notes, and then we've got variations where we go to number 6, and then we've got a variation where we start from number 8. I think for today we end here. Thank you.